Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can make this dripping effect on Photoshop. So I am just going to select the subject. If I can just find it. Can I not do that? What's going on? Oh, there we go. Because I will just be needing the donut. If you can, you're also going to remove this, but let's just select clipping mask on that. I'm just trying to make this tutorial a little bit faster. Then you're just going to place this wherever you want. I'm just going to place it a little bit higher. Honestly, I might have to. That's fine. I'm not going to even remove that. Whoops. Okay, there we go. Then I'm going to press Control on my keyboard and I'm going to press this image. And then I am going to inverse it and select. Then I'm going to press on this layer. Select your brush, make sure the color is black, and we're just going to remove that. Then I'm just going to uncheck this, and voila, that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.